Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a Destash video. This is PayPal only, USA only. Must be 18 years old or older, and you must notify me within an hour, or pay within an hour of receipt of confirmation from me. And it's once again, it's PayPal, friends and family, US only, 18 years old or older. And please pay within an hour receipt of my email confirmation. And you want to email me at fphandmade@gmail.com. So I purchased some new markers, very excited. I purchased some Altenew artist markers to try. And in my haste of ordering them late at night and not paying attention, I ordered this set here. And this is the Artist Markers Primary Essential Set. It's 12 colors, and these are the colors that you receive. But actually, some of these colors are in the ones that I ordered, the other sets. So I'm going to destash these, and here are the colors. I purchased these, got them yesterday, so I'm just trying to recoup my loss. If I send them back, there's a restocking fee, and I just thought, well, maybe I would forward them on to someone here who would enjoy trying these, because these colors are beautiful, but they're in the sets that I already have. So this is going to be $30 shipped, and once again, that is PayPal, friends and family, US 18 years old or older. Please pay within an hour of receipt of email confirmation. My email is fphandmade@gmail.com, and I guess I can show you the markers. Here they are, all 12 of them, beautiful markers. And just email me and let me know if you are interested. Thank you guys, bye.